Top emerging tech companies making waves in U.S. stock markets for 2024. Hello, everyone. With the dawn of a new year, the world of technology is rapidly evolving and big tech companies are setting the trend. In 2024, many emerging tech companies are making their presence felt on U.S. stock markets, having had tremendous success in the past year. These tech companies have seen significant gains and turned to be the ones leading the way for 2024. In this article, we'll explore some of the top tech companies making waves in the U.S. stock markets for 2024. We'll also look at how their rise has played an essential role in the recovery of the U.S. economy from the recession brought about by the pandemic. ASML. Dutch firm ASML is having a good year with a 20% jump in its stock price. It's part of the semiconductor industry, which has led the way in terms of recovery from the pandemic owing to its booming demand for 5G cellular technology. ASML is amongst the top semiconductor makers and is heavily involved in the slow but steady growth of the sector in the US. Coinbase. Coinbase was one of the biggest crypto exchanges to go public in 2021, and its stock has gained more than 70%. Coinbase works with numerous cryptocurrencies and has seen a significant rise in popularity due to the increasing interest and adoption of digital assets. The success of Coinbase on the US stock markets has been largely taken as the indicator for the booming crypto space. Apple. Apple has been one of the pioneers for technology since the early days, and this year was no different. At the beginning of this year, Apple's market cap became over $2 trillion and has seen a steady growth since then. Apple has also experienced immense success in the development of its own services, such as Apple Music and Apple Pay, and increased consumer loyalty, thereby solidifying its position in the tech-based economy. Alphabet. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is another tech giant making waves in the US stock markets. Alphabet has seen a good bounce back in 2021, gaining more than 25%. It has seen success in many of its segments, from cloud computing to advertising, aside from Google's ubiquitous search engine. Microsoft. Microsoft has made leaps and bounds with its share price, more than doubling since the start of 2021 and raking in incredible profits. It has seen success from businesses that had previously caused it losses and has made some great investments, helping to bring up the value of the company. Microsoft's Azure cloud platform is also one of the most popular offerings in the enterprise market. Amazon. Last but not least, we have Amazon, which has been on a steady and meteoric rise for several years now. In 2021, Amazon's stock kept going up, and its market cap reached $1.6 trillion. Amazon is behind the massive success of the e-commerce industry, and its services like Amazon Prime and Amazon Web Services have further helped introduce and popularize tech-based solutions. Conclusion. These are just a few of the top tech companies making waves in the US stock markets in 2021. As the year continues, we can expect to see many more thriving tech companies that are driving the future of technology. These tech companies have played a major role in the recovery of the US economy from the recession brought about by the pandemic, and their success looks set to continue into 2024. Thank you for reading.